Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set your WhatsApp auto reply timer. You can automatically turn on your WhatsApp auto reply, or you can just set the timer to send replies. Instant reply. In instant reply you can send a reply at the spot. It sends reply instantly when you get a message. Pause reply sends a reply then pauses until the wait time is over. You can change your pause reply timer by your choice. It can be in seconds, minutes, hours and days. Let's say we can set the timer for 10 seconds pause reply, or you can also set into other minutes or seconds or days. Delay reply sends a reply after a delay of 5 seconds, or you can also set your timer according to your choice. You can only set delay timer in seconds. Next one is reply once. Reply only once to the same person group until you turn on auto reply next time. This option is only for those who set their WhatsApp auto reply to premium. That contains send custom reply and spreadsheet messages without any delay. There is another option, screen lock reply, sends reply only when the phone screen is locked. There is another option to automatic on your WhatsApp auto reply. You can set time to turn on and to turn off the WhatsApp auto reply automatically, and also set a reply time to automatic turn on the WhatsApp auto reply. You can also set phone idle mode, in which you can turn on WhatsApp automatically when the phone screen is locked and idle.